One windy, cold December day, Birdie flew into our yard. A parakeet, stressed and hungry, eagerly flew into our rescue cage. Happy to be saved, thankful to land at the Pridemore's home. In order to make cage cleaning easier, Mom decided to put the new bird next to the iguana cage. As days went by, Birdie was often found perched as close to the iguana as possible. Iguana was also found facing Birdie. When the cage got relocated into our large sun-filled kitchen window, Mom decided to try to squeeze Birdie's cage into Iguana's in order to conserve space. In the process of trying to squeeze the bird cage into the iguana cage, the bird cage collapsed, freeing Birdie into Iguana's large habitat. And this is how Birdie and Iguana became unlikely best friends.
They have been together now for over 6 months. Each animal is from different species, sharing a wonderful life together.